Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix network issue problem in Oppo mobile. Friends, you have network issue problem, Wi-Fi network problem, Bluetooth network problem and mobile network problem. So how to fix network problem one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video, open your phone setting friends. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Oppo phone device. So friends, scroll it and friends click here phone additional setting. After additional setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Oppo phone device. So friends, click here backup and reset option setting. After on friends backup and reset option setting friends, you can see backup and restore setting. Backup my data friends you want to on, so you can on backup my data in your Oppo mobile. And friends, click here erase all data factory reset setting. And friends, you can see reset network setting. Friends, click here Bluetooth network setting, Wi-Fi network setting, mobile network setting. Friends, you want to reset, you have any problem, friends click here reset network setting. After reset friends, wait here, network setting has been resetted. And friends, come back. And friends, now you can on friends your Oppo mobile Wi-Fi setting. Friends, you can see automatic all Wi-Fi network forget in your device and you cannot use. You want to use guys, select your Wi-Fi network, enter Wi-Fi network password. You can check password from here, right side click, friends Wi-Fi network will connect without any problem. Friends, you can see Wi-Fi network has connected. And friends, you want to use any app, so friends open your app and friends you can use it on your Oppo phone device. So like that friends, you can fix Wi-Fi network problem, Bluetooth network problem, mobile network problem in your Oppo phone device friends. So friends, we will on Bluetooth setting. And once you want to connect any Bluetooth device, select your device, you can connect without any problem. And you can on mobile network, you can use it. Bye friends, thanks for watching.